great tasting hot coffee right at your fingertips with the new KitchenAid Personal Coffee Maker. Simply choose your perfect grind, fresh water. Then One Touch Brewing keeps it simple. Rich, hot, flavorful coffee, brewed your way. The vertical heating element is located exactly where the brewing takes place. And the best part? The single serve brews coffee directly into its 18-ounce thermal travel mug, or your favorite cup, small or tall. The KitchenAid Personal Coffee Maker even makes on-the-go mornings special. Nobody knows the kitchen like KitchenAid.